another episode of
Gab's Adventure Time with Gab
and
Nikki. Anong episode natin today, Gab? Mag-unbox
Peppa
ulit tayo?
Pig.
Uy, Peppa Pig na naman yan ah. Pakita natin sa kanila ano yung unbox mo, Nikki. This is Peppa's Ice Cream Shop. Papa, makukumpleto mo na yung Peppa Ice Cream mo ah. And sa'yo, kuya, what's that? That is Peppa's Family Rainy Day. Wow, ang ganda niya na. Muulan-ulan, naka-raincoat pa sila ha. Pati ng likod. Wow, in the muddy puddles. So, sisimulan na natin. Sino unang mag-unbox sa inyong dalawa?
Mickey.
Mickey first?
No.
Who's first?
Kuya Gab.
Kuya Gab daw mauuna. So, don't forget ang ating scissors.
First is Mickey.
O, si Mickey na daw. Nag-change your mind na siya.
First we need the tao. Tao. Oh.
Nung nakaraang episode natin, guys, yun yung ice cream natin. Ice cream family.
Tira. So,
Ano na na-unbox nyo?
and this one too.
Wow. Another Peppa na naman ito, ha. Pink naman siya. Yung nakaraan is red yung damit niya. Ano pa nakuha mo, Mickey? Let me see. Ah, yung kanyang ice cream register. Wait lang. Let me see. Show natin sa kanila. Yung ice cream. May ikat ba ito? Let me see. Wait lang. Ayun, oh. Ah. You like it? Hey, you like it? Yes? You're busy playing na agad, ah.
This one is the nakakalimutan na siya.
Meron pa siyang
Use this.
umbrella. Rain. Usap ka doon sa tabi ni Kuya Gab kasi wala na yung table natin, eh. So, antayin natin kung merong karoon pa tayo ng table. Yan, yung kanyang table. Lagay mo yung ano, Mick.
And the last
Ah.
part. Wait.
Kagatan mo yan. Ano ba?
The upward too. Other side pa. Ano? Other side?
Ching!
Chin!
Ching!
Chin!
Very good. Nagko-cover ng mouth. Done?
That is very close na.
Meron pa rin? Dami naman yan. Basta. Gupitin mo, gupitin. Baka yung bintana magupit mo, ha?
How to open this?
Ito, oh, yun ang gupitin mo. Yan, oh, yan. Okay. So, ito na, mukhang may lamang pa ata sa loob. Ayun, oh, kasi meron mo siyang ganyan, eh. Oh. Ayun naman niya sa loob. Tingnan natin, guys. Wait lang. Uy, ang dami pa. Open it. Mystery. Usog doon kay Kuya Gab. Usog. Usog doon, usog.
This one first is gonna be, I think it's the chair for and this one is
Siya mag-unbox eh. Gusto niya daw yan. Ano kaya laman niya? Ito para dito niya yan. This one.
That one is the chair for Papa. Wow.
Tada! That is the gel.
Huh? There's two? Let's open.
Yan.
Peppa's ice cream.
So, set up muna natin siya guys. We'll be right back. So, guys, ito na yung Peppa Pig natin. Nandiyan na sila sa kanilang
Splash! 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 Splash!
doon ka sa pwesto mo.
Splash!
So, next naman natin i-unbox yung kay Kuya Gab naman. Si Kuya Gab. Open it.
Dito na lang ako.
Apo.
Dito na lang.
Sige, play ka na. Ah, ice cream niya, Mickey ah.
Dito na lang.
Peppa Pig.
Ay, parang yung kamukha nito yung sa It.
Hello.
Ganito yung suot ng bata, diba? Sino ba to? Si Peppa?
Mommy Pig.
Si Georgie. Oh.
Huh? There's two? Which one is Georgie?
Oh, it's Superman! Superman! Superman!
Doon ka, usog ka dun sa tabi ni Kuya.
Daddy Pig.
Usog ka sa tabi ni
And
Kuya.
then lastly, Georgie.
Kuya, masaksak mo sa Mickey ha. Play. Go play.
Hello! 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 What you doing here? I'm here! I'm
Maboom.
Look Again! It's a kitty!
Oh, ang ganda. Kuya. Look. Sa Peppa Pig family ah.
That's a piggy!
Wow. Si Peppa yung malaki, si Georgie yung maliit. Point.
Point, 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 point.
Ah.
I need to do a video. Hello, guys. Hello.
Guys, yun na yung unboxing episode natin today. We hope you like it. So, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, bye, everyone.